To access your Spectrum modem settings without the app, first ensure your computer or smartphone is connected to your Spectrum modem's Wi-Fi network or directly via Ethernet cable. Next, open a web browser and type either 192.168.1 or 192.168.1.1 into the address bar and press Enter. These are the most common default IP addresses for Spectrum modems. If neither IP address works, check your device's network settings to find the default gateway IP. On Windows, use the ipconfig command in Command Prompt. Once the login page appears, enter your username and password. The default username is often admin in lowercase, and common default passwords include password, admin, or Spectrum. Note that Spectrum now often requires a password change during initial setup, either via the app or web interface. If you've previously changed it, use your custom password. After logging in, you'll have access to various modem settings. Remember to log out securely after making any changes. Protect your modem by always changing the default password to a strong, unique one that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If your modem supports it, use HTTPS for a more secure connection. You'll see HTTPS/ in the address bar instead of temp or /, which encrypts your login data. If you can't log in, try resetting your modem. Locate the reset button on the back panel and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. If you're still having trouble after resetting, contact Spectrum support for assistance with your modem access. Spectrum is increasingly pushing users towards app-based management. While web access is still supported on many models, newer modems may redirect certain advanced features to the app. Some firmware updates now include two-factor authentication for web logins, requiring verification via email or SMS before access. While web access remains a viable option for tech enthusiasts and troubleshooting, expect it to become less prevalent in the future as ISPs prioritize app-based ecosystems for ease of use and centralized management. Stay informed about the latest security practices and Spectrum's updates to ensure a secure and efficient experience.